There are instances where you'll need to remove the accounting data from a deal in CoStar Brokerage Applications. Perhaps there's a duplicate deal entry, or the deal is dated and transaction revenue is no longer being recorded for this transaction. This video will demonstrate how to back all of the data out of that transaction from the system. You can either open the Close Deal Wizard by clicking Edit and going to the Invoices tab, or you can hover over the Accounting tab from the main dashboard and click on Invoices. The first thing you'll need to do is void the payment that was applied to the invoice. Click the Void button, apply a reason for your void, and enter the void date, which would be the current date, and then void the payment. Once the payment is voided, then you can void the invoice. Again, apply a reason and the date and click Void Invoice. Once the invoices are voided, then you can go to the Split Worksheet and void the data from there. Again, you can hover over the Accounting tab and go to Split Worksheet. Then click Void Adjust Worksheet. Again, enter a reason for your void. Because we are backing the deal out of the system completely, we do not want to retain the worksheet data for editing, so we'll uncheck that box and then click Void Worksheet. Once the worksheet is voided and cleared, then you can go back to the Peacock matrix. Click the button to return to Peacock. In the fee calculation matrix, you can either click the X to delete each row that applied the fee and transaction value, or you can add an adjustment row adding a negative amount of both the fee and the transaction value. We'll type a 1 in the period field, and then a negative for the transaction value, which is $77,287,000 Then tab over to calculate the total fee and the total value, which now goes to 0 because you applied the negative amount. In the fee, you want to do the same thing. Enter a flat fee, but enter a negative of the total amount. Tab over, and now you'll have a 0 in the total fee field at the top. Once you have zeroed out the transaction value and the total fee, then you can click Save and Finish.